What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of New Parents in Training. So I've been trying to upgrade my video editing PC setup, and the next thing I wanted to change is the monitor, because the one I've been using is like something really cheap. I just picked up from Target way back. So now I need to have something that I can see a better picture, like the full color range, and also the better video. So I picked up this Asus ProArc display, 27-inch. So this is a 2K monitor. Now the reason why I picked this particular model, because it's relatively affordable. I'll just get that out of the way. My wife is behind the camera. She's laughing right now. Look, I mean, I wanted to get something better, but they are just way too expensive. Now this thing come out the factory, it's already calibrated. So this has 100% sRGB. So this is actually really well for the pricing they are offering. So the ProArc, if you don't know anything about this particular model, ProArc is strictly for video editing and whatnot, and for workstation. But as far as for this monitor, it has like 75 Hertz of refresh rate, so it can actually game decently. So let me unbox this today and then try it out compared to my old monitor. I'm pretty sure this is a night and day difference. So anyway, let me get started. Alright, so first thing, this is a display port cable, a power cord, HDMI, oh, this monitor is actually too heavy. Oh, I actually tell you the calibration. This is the stand. It's a booklet of some sort. ProArc, let's see. Oh, it has the assembly instructions here. So I'll take a look at that in a little bit. Okay, so this is kind of angled in a weird way. So let me get this out. Okay, so the base is quite heavy. Oh. Something like, oh, so there's a screw underneath that can secure the monitor to the base. Just FYI, here's the screw. So thinking I need to do something like this. All right. Oh, this thing is actually heavy. All right, so here's the monitor itself. Let me peel this thing off as well. Alright, this is much bigger monitor than I'm accustomed to. Alright, so here it is. The current monitor I've been using is 23-inch. So this 27 is much bigger real estate space I'm getting. And also it just, overall, it looked very sturdy compared to what I've been using. Mine's kind of wobbly. Alright, anyway, so let me go set this up and then do some comparison compared to my old one. And I just want to see overall how this will fare for my video editing. Okay, so here is my setup. I have the 27-inch here, the new one from Asus, and I have the whole monitor, the 23-inch Acer there. As you can see, the size is significantly different. Anyway, so here are my two monitors, and that's my PC right there. So some of the key features of this monitor is that for this particular model, the PA278QV professional monitor, this one is a 27-inch IPS with the screen resolution of 2560 by 1440. Not only this monitor has 100% sRGB and 100% recommended 709, and it also has color accuracy of delta E less than 2. So this thing is perfect for photo and video editing. Now, not only that, as I mentioned earlier, this monitor does have a 75 Hertz refresh rate and adaptive sync technology. So if you do a lot of work on this monitor and you want to just relax and do some gaming, this is way better than the regular monitor with 60 Hertz. So you can at least get some decent gaming going on with this monitor. This particular monitor on the back, it has DVI, HDMI, DisplayPort, mini DisplayPort, USB hub, earphone, and audio in jack. So the DisplayPort is support 1.2, and also for the HDMI it support version 1.4. Now this particular model is a PA278QV. Now for the CV version, it has capability to let you daisy chaining up to 4 monitors using the DisplayPort. So it has a lot more going on if you want to decide to go with the CV model. But the CV model definitely costs a lot more. Aside from the daisy chaining capability, essentially both models are the same. CV one just costs a lot more than the QV. Now, something that you already kind of noticing for this particular monitor, you can see the color is actually quite warm. But if you look at the other one, the 23-inch one, this is really white, like it's been washed out. So when I am editing video, sometimes it's kind of hard to kind of grasp, should I change the color of the background or not? So that makes editing a little bit difficult because you are just not sure exactly what color you are actually looking at. But with this, you can see exactly what you were filming with. So that way, at least you can get a baseline of what you are actually looking at. Okay, lastly, I just want to mention some of the menu settings that you can do on this particular monitor. For this one, it's meant for workstation, so it actually have a ruler down here on the bottom portion of the monitor. Now, if you click on any of the button, it will come up with menu. You can change the light level by pressing corresponding button. Anyway, let's see. So here's something I found really interesting. So they have ruler, alignment, A4, B5. So what it is if you check on ruler, now if you take a look on the top part, there's a ruler go across on the top and also on the left hand side. Now if you go down to see the alignment, you can see this has been cropped out. So when you're doing the video editing, this might come in handy because you might want to change your degree of the video a little bit to kind of readjust to see where if everything is level or not. Now they have the A4, check on that. So you can see that it's being framed out. So if you are working on some kind of document that requires this, you can use that feature as well. Lastly is the B5, same thing, and just have a crop out portion of the screen so you can just focusing on working that general area. Now some other stuff you can go in here to do is the bright blue light filter. You can do that, and also they have the adjustability here. So you can go into each one of them to see which one it will be the one. Now, right now I have it set at the sRGB mode, but if you're going down, you can see how each mode is being changing. And this is the standard mode. But I found this one is more warm, so yeah, this is where I'm doing my editing. My impression of this monitor has been great so far. Before when I'm working with my old monitor, I'm just kind of guessing about where the color should be. Right now I have a more confident in terms of what I'm actually working on. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, put into the comment down below. Until next time, bye.